Build a mole concept base, make it zoom from mass to moles and moles to volume.
Normality follows the reaction track.
N is equal to M into NF, that's a fact.
Equivalent weight you need to know.
E is equal to M upon NF is the way to go. Empirical to molecular, keep the ratio tight. Percentage composition brings formula to light.
When volume changes with temperature sway,
molarity moves exactly that way.
but mass doesn't care about temperature's dent,
making molality T independent.
Look at de Broglie's wave in motion.
Lambda is equal to H upon P is the notion.
Photoelectric effect,
Einstein's key.
Kmax is equal to h nu minus 5.
Sets electrons free. Bohr model energy you should know.
En is minus 13.6 by n square.
That's the flow.
Angular nodes equal L.
Radial is N minus L minus 1.
Total nodes are minus 1.
Isn't quantum fun? Heisenberg uncertainty sets the space.
Delta X into delta P
is greater than or equal to H upon 4 pi in place.
Know your quantum numbers, pass the test.
The set of N, L, M, and S. Aufbau follows the N plus L line. Lower value fills first.
Perfectly fine.
If N plus L happens to tie,
Lower and fills first.
don't ask why.
Chromium, copper, break the trend.
Half filled D5 and fully filled to 10 defend.
Know the gas laws, keep them tight.
Boil means temperature constant.
Get it right.
Charles keeps pressure under control.
Avogadro
Links volume to mole.
compressibility factor Z takes control.
Z is equal to PV upon nRT shows the goal. If Z is equal to 1, ideal is the space.
Otherwise,
Deviation enters the race.
van der Waals is attraction's might.
While B is the volume.
Get it right. Listen to thermodynamics with some class.
In intensive means independent of mass.
The first law of thermo is an energy play.
Delta U is equal to Q plus W leads the way.
Work delta U is equal to minus P delta V.
Expansion work in chemistry.
Cp minus Cv is equal to R to recall.
Heat capacity difference for gases overall.
Enthalpy change depends on state.
Hess law helps you calculate. Bond enthalpy breaks bonds apart.
Reactants minus products gives the chart.
Entropy measures disorders key.
Higher randomness boosts stability.
Gibbs free energy decides the flow.
Delta G is equal to delta A
minus T delta S you should know.
if delta G is less than 0.
Spontaneous drive,
But fast or slow,
that's kinetics alive.
Kp
And Kc relation you must know
Kp
is equal to Kc
into RT to the power delta Ng flow.
Reaction quotient Q guides the direction.
Q less than K moves forward in reaction.
Le Chatelier shifts the balance side.
System adjusts to oppose the apply.
Increase the pressure.
Fewer moles win.
Temperature shifts depend on heat within.
Add inert gas at constant volume, no change.
Catalyst beats both, equilibrium stays same.
pH is equal to minus log H plus in play.
pH plus POH is equal to 14 always. Conjugate pairs have a special view.
Ka into Kb is equal to Kw.
Buffers resist
pH change and flow.
weak plus it's all just the combo you know.
Henderson equation helps you see.
pH is equal to pKa.
Plus log of salt upon acid easily.
Ostwald dilution law comes to light.
Alpha proportional to root V is right.
Solubility product governs the role.
If ionic product IP exceeds KSP,
Precipitate forms in the bowl
common ion effect reduces solubility
and decreases alpha significantly.